Hi, it's Mr. Bennett here. In today's video, we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing decimal numbers in a spreadsheet. All right, so keeping the idea of what we're doing here, I'm going to show you a little shortcut of how to do this for these ones. So anyway, so if we've got a number, that's our number. We're going to multiply a number by 10. So see the formula we're getting here, D2 times by 10. If we want to multiply that by 100, what we're going to do is get equals, that's the formula, we'll point to the cell we want to times, and now we're going to times that by 100. Right, and that will work that out for us. And then the next thing is we're going to go equals, and again we're going to do D2, and we're going to times that by 1,000. All right, so then I get the idea of what's actually happening here. So if we imagine our decimal place after the 5, when we times it by 10, we add an extra digit. When we times it by 100, we put 2 zeros there, and we times it by 1,000, we get 3 zeros. Imagine if it was times by a million. Well, a million's got 6 zeros, so that would have 6 zeros after that number. Now on this side, we're going to divide by 10, so it's going to be 45. Actually, don't do 45, because if I change that number, I'll show you something really clever later. So it's that cell there divided by 10. So that's going to give us 4.5. So I'm getting the decimal places moved to the left. I'm going to divide it by 100, so equals, point to our cell, divide that by 100. And again, the decimal places moved 2 times that way over here. And when we divide it by 1,000, the decimal place, which is just after the 5, is moved 3 places after there. Now what I might do is a little thing you can do in here, which is you could add some extra digits. So if I add some extra digits, you get an idea about what's actually happening, because you can see the decimal place. So when I'm timesing by 10, I'm moving the decimal place that to the right. When I'm timesing by 100, I'm moving it 2 jumps to the right, so that's why I get 2 zeros. When I'm timesing it by 1,000, I'm moving it 3. And again, when I'm going the other way, when I'm dividing, I'm moving the decimal place to the left. So divided by 10, move it 1 jump, 100, 2 jumps, and the other thing over here, 3 jumps. Now, it's a little trick for us, okay? So the little trick for us is simply, if we do this on this side, if we go to the bottom right-hand corner, okay, and it goes black, if we drag that down, it actually works it all out for us. We'll do the same thing over here. We go back bottom right-hand corner, drag it down. It's just done all those calculations for us. Now, the shortcut, I suppose, is understanding timesing by a factor of 10. All right, so the factor determines how many jumps you make to the left or to the right. Just fix up this last column here. It seems to be a little bit out of whack. So just come to there and I'll just add. Yeah, all right, so that looks a bit better for us. In terms of what we're doing there, you get an idea about the effects of timesing and dividing by 100.